Hi, I'm Carl Emerson, CTO of Vesper Marine. Today I'm going to show a little bit more detail around the M1 of the Cortex system. We will show the smartAIS functionality, its Class B SOTDMA functionality, and some of the other unique design aspects. The M1 is Cortex's connectivity hub and smart alarming system. You can think of the M1 like the brain of the system. The Cortex M1 is an IPX7 rated housing. It's made from a thermal polymer, which means there's no exposed heatsink. All of the M1 inputs and outputs are also completely galvanically isolated. It's designed to be run from a 12 or 24 volt system, and it's designed for super low power, which means that you can leave it on at all times. The 5 core systems of M1 each have their own status light. We have the GPS, VHF, which is DSC, AIS receive and transmit, as well as VHF voice, Wi-Fi, NEMA 2000, and cloud connectivity. The status LEDs will be green when the system is fully functional, amber when something's not connected, or red when you need to troubleshoot something. The M1 has a single VHF antenna port. That's your primary VHF port. It also includes a built-in splitter. So if you've already got an antenna installed on the vessel or an existing VHF system, you can integrate the M1 into that. The M1 is powered from 12 and 24 volts, but it's really low power during a maximum of 6 watts. So that way you can leave it on at all times and it's always monitoring the situation for you. It includes internal antennas for both cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity. But we've also allowed provision for certain installations where you need to get those antenna to a different location on the boat, and so there's external options for connectivity of an external antenna. We have a sensor port for connecting external sensors and relays. This allows you to monitor things like your high water level sensor, your bilge pump, or control things on the boat like maybe your heater or freezer box. You can do all of that remotely using the monitoring app via your phone. It also has built-in NEMA 2000 connectivity. This allows for those sensors that are on your vessel connected to NEMA 2000 to be monitored as well. But it also does the classic smartAIS functionality of translating NEMA 2000 to 0183 and distributing those sensors via Wi-Fi to anything else you might have on the vessel. The audio port is included, which is both a audio port for VHF receive, but it's also our primary alarming port. So when a smartAIS alarm occurs, the annunciations for those alarms will be received over that port. This allows you to power down your handsets, but still get notifications of alarms. It also has a built-in heading sensor. This is really important, super useful for our anchor watch feature, as it enables accuracy of your anchor position. It's also very useful for when you're transmitting your AIS position. The M1's cloud connectivity allows core features like our smartAIS alarms, bilge alarms, high water level sensor alarms to be accessed from anywhere, whether on board or ashore. For more information on Cortex, visit our website vespercortex.com.